Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Working SEO Specialist. Today we are going to talk about Office SEO for YouTube. The strategies you can use outside of your YouTube channel to get more views, higher rankings and faster channel growth. Most creators focus only on titles, tags and thumbnails. But the truth is, Office SEO can bring a whole new audience to YouTube. So let's get started. Office SEO is everything you do outside of YouTube to promote your videos. Think of it like telling the world, hey, I upload something valuable. Come and watch it. The more traffic and engagement you bring from the outside platform, the more YouTubers algorithm trust your content and pushes it higher in the search and recommendation. Strategies for of strategies for Office SEO. Number one, social media sharing. Share videos on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn or TikTok. Create short clips or reels that link back to your full YouTube video. This drives traffic and builds awareness. Number two, embedded videos on website or blogs. If you have a blog or website, embed your videos in your posts. Google loves videos, so this helps you rank your Google search too. Number three, backlinks from forums and communities. Participate in communities like Quora, Reddit and niche forums. Answer questions and add your video link for relevant. Don't spam, provide value first. Number 4. Collaboration and guest features. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche. Guest post or appear on podcasts and promote your channel there. Email marketing. Build email list and share your new videos directly with subscribers. This drives instant traffic within the first 24 hours. Super important for ranking. Number 6. WhatsApp and Telegram groups. Share your videos in relevant groups or create your own community. Loyal communities is equal to higher watch time. Pro tips. Here are some pro tips of Office SEO source. Don't just drop links. Here are some pro tips for Office SEO success. Don't just drop links. Give context or a teaser. Be consistent. Share every upload, not just one in a while. Use UTM tracking link if you want to measure which platforms bring the most traffic. Engage back. Reply to comments, DMs and discussion on other platforms. This can build trust and authority. So to recap, Office SEO means promoting your YouTube videos on social media, blogs, forums, collaboration, emails, and communities. When you bring viewers from outside, YouTube rewards you with more visibility inside the platform too. If you found this very helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment below which Office SEO method you will try the first. Thank you.